Hi, I'm Chris Marlowe. I'm an applications engineer here at Fannenberg, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install one of our new Datawind filter fans. So on the table, I have everything that comes with the unit. In the access pack, you get pre-cut gasketing material, your thermostat, power connection, paperwork with a cutout, and it comes with two threaded studs, and these screw into the top of the unit. Starting off, you want to screw the two studs into the top of the unit. Then place your gasketing onto the unit. Once that is all done, you can actually take the unit and hang it onto your enclosure. Once you have your nuts and washers tightened to the studs, you can start placing the rest of the bolts. Tighten all the bolts down until the gasket material has compressed about 50%. The thermostat comes with a 13-foot cable, pre-wired. So all you have to do is plug it into the unit, and then the thermostat can be placed anywhere you have a DIN rail mounting. This is the 115 volt version. Both 115 and 230 volt come with an IEC C13 connector that locks into place, doesn't come out. The 115 goes to a NEMA 15P, and the 230 goes to a C14 connector. The dual thermostat that comes with the unit is used to control the fan as well as the status LED. TS1 on the thermostat is for the fan, and when the temperature goes above it, the fan will turn on. And for TS2, which controls the status LED, when the temperature rises above that set point, our status LED will turn on, and this is to indicate that your enclosure is getting over temperature, and it's time that you should check your filter or check to make sure there's no blockage of airflow. The unit also comes with two square wire holders that also comes with two zip ties, and this is so that you can zip tie the power connector and the thermostat connector to be out of the way of anything else in the enclosure. We use the RAL 9004 Datawind PF 67000 for this video today, just to kind of show so it stood out more against the enclosure. We do offer this in RAL 9003 white as well. And like I said before, this is in 115 or 230 volt. It also comes in two other sizes, the 22,000 size and the 33,000 size. The 22,000 and the 33,000 come with all the same accessories in their access pack, the 22,000 being a 6-inch fan size and the 33,000 being our 8-inch fan size. Thank you for watching, and if you need to get a hold of us, you can call us at 716-685-6866, or you can email us at sales@fannenbergusa.com.